Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make slime. This is going to be an easy recipe and most common recipe. The key ingredients are glue and borax. I got the borax from Walmart and it was $4.94. I got the glue from Target for 99 cents. We also need some paint and water. You can also use different colors and food coloring. There's two ways to make the coloring, with the paint or the food coloring. I also have some slime I made before, and I will show you that at the end to see the difference and the similarities. So let's begin. The first step to make activator is get a spoonful of borax. About this much. And you have to put it into some warm water. Now you can stir it up. Stir until it's clear. It's not going to be so clear, but you can't see any of the borax inside the water. Now it's done. I'm going to put this aside and get to the mixing. First, I'm going to put some school glue into the bowl. I'm using 2 bottles, but you can use 1. I'm gonna pour it inside. That's about it. I'm gonna add the second bottle in. This is optional. You can also make slime with different types of glue, like glitter glue and clear glue. There's a chance for the slime to turn out to fluffy slime or just regular slime. That's about it. Now it's time to add the coloring. You can either add paint or food coloring, like I said before. I'm gonna add red acrylic paint. I want to make pink, so I'm gonna add a little bit. I'm gonna stir this up and see if I need more. So far it's looking good. I'm gonna stir this up until the chunks are all away. This color is a baby pink color. I think this is about it. Now I'm gonna add the activator. Now, as I told you before, it's clear. Don't add the whole thing at once. Add 1 spoon at a time. I'm gonna see if this is enough, but mostly it's not. It's getting there. If it's like this, that means it's not done. I'm gonna add 1 more spoon. If it's not like stretchy, that means it's not ready. I'm gonna add 1 more spoon. Or 2. It looks kind of watery, but it's not at all. I'm gonna add more activator. This recipe involves a lot of stirring. I think it's almost done. So guys, I finally finished making the slime. It's turning out really good and it's very stretchy and fluffy. I think it might be fluffy slime. Now I'm gonna put it onto like a board so I can play with it. This board is always used to play with slime, as you can see. I'm going to take the spoon out, keep it aside, and take the slime. You can use any type of bowl because at the end the slime is going to come out. It's kind of sticky, but I think I know how to fix it. I'm gonna like take some activator, put it onto my hands. This is what I do all the time. Rub it, and then I can play with it. Now it's not gonna be sticky at all. It's very fluffy. I think it might be fluffy slime. It sure is. I'm gonna show you guys how I make a bubble. First, I'm gonna make a swirl. It's kind of hard because it's kind of really sticky. I think I'm gonna put more activator on my hands or even to the slime. I think this will do. Yeah, it is sure happening. Okay, so first I'm gonna have to do a swirl. Then I'm gonna take the swirl, flat it like that. Oh, wait. Okay, I'm gonna try again, see if it works. I'm not gonna use all the slime for this time because I think it's not gonna work that way because it worked for my smaller slimes. I'm gonna use this much. think it's about a bottle. Now I'm gonna do the same thing. Add some activator to my hands. Maybe I'll show you guys with the other slimes I made. I'm gonna set this over here and show you guys my other slime. This one I made a couple months ago, maybe like a month ago. Sure is sticky. This slime is perfect for making bubbles. This one. This was made with the same recipe, but this one I added like way more activator. I'm gonna show you how I make a bubble. This one I call an ocean slime because it has a very good blue color, as you can see. It's very stretchy, but it's not very fluffy because I added a lot of activator. Okay, that's the swirl. Take some. The bubble. This one was way easier to make the bubble. I think all I need is more activator. This is working out great. I think this will work. I'm going to use half of it like last time. Put some aside. I'm going to make the swirl, which worked out great. Oh, that was my fault. That worked. I feel like the slime is still sticky. It's very fluffy. That worked! Finally, the bubble came. I knew it was gonna happen. This slime turned into fluffy slime. I really like fluffy slime. This recipe is also used to make fluffy slime. I think you guys can all see that how fluffy this is. If you wanted to make regular slime, add more activator like this one. This one's a bit fluffy, but I think it makes the best bubbles. Oopsies. I'm gonna show you how I play with the other one. This one is my favorite slime because it's very good at making bubbles and I like bubbles the best. Tell in the comments if you like that slime or this slime. They're made the same way, but just more activator. I feel like that one is my favorite, this one, the pink one, because it's very fluffy and I like the fluffy texture. But I like this one at the same time because of the bubbles and the easy way of playing. Whoa, that one almost worked. Let me try one more time. It worked. I hope you liked this video and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I think this worked out really great. Tell in the comments if this worked out for you too. I hope you liked it. Bye everyone.